I think I might have gone a little overboard. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I have a really huge haul from Aliexpress. We're gonna look at some stuff today and have a good old time. What do we got? What do we got? They're window stickers. You know what? I got 2 of these. One of these I'll save for a giveaway video that I have coming up for 1,000 subs. It's a little late. You know, it was the holidays and everything, so a little bit behind on that. Really cool prints. They're really, really pretty. Even prettier than I imagined for cathedral type windows. I really want to look at these. These are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? Let's open it and see. Oh, lots of good stuff in this one. It's the bag that keeps on giving. Oh my goodness. All right, what should we look at first? Let's do the boxes. Butterfly notes. So like smushed in there. Oh, okay, it's like stamps. No, they're nice. They're just stamps with butterflies. Oh, 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 oh. Very cool. Bird's custard. Tequila. It's all like food. Galaxy Fantasy. Ooh, very shiny. These are all space themed, which is funny because I have a lot of space stuff, so I don't really know why I got some more, but they're actually very, very pretty. Look at this one. Okay. So these are just 2 new colors, solid ones, as opposed to just like the outlined. So multicolored ones, and then these ones are more of a black, gray, beige. You can see there, the color. Okay, I also got these 2 lovelies. Just a flower theme. So this is all floral, very pretty. This is a mushroom theme. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. These are great. They're just some sticker books. This is the theme for this one, spring songs, square pieces and circles, so right up my alley. See, there's a bunch of different prints. And then this one is a sort of a sky space one, so. Adorable. Oh, definitely be using those. That is, oh. Yeah, this was sort of a beige, orange theme. Nice. Ooh, some more boxes. Nice. I've currently been using this exact one, so I just rebought it because I love them. I love these stickers. I'll show you. Yeah, they're perfect. You know, usually I'll use them as the whole square, but it's also nice to cut them up. Boop. Vintage. Kind of sepia, beige and white and black. Very, very cool. Oh, it's circles. The stickers that are like a watercolor. So this whole theme was arts and crafts. Here's the other sheet. Galaxy set, planets, moons, and constellations. I'm going to do a series of astrology signs as well. They are frames, but then they have, you know, stuff in the frames. So see the back, all the different options. So yeah, this one's an orange theme. It's all leaves. Oh, so pretty. Very Canadian, eh? And the purple is like flowers. Awesome. So definitely be using those in the future. Oh, yeah, here they are. I'm curious how they're going to be. Just a new roller tape. Goes with that. Orange themed. Washi tape, washi stickers. Cool. Awesome. Okay, everyone. Well, this is the haul for today. It's a pretty awesome one, and I hope you liked it. If you really liked it, I hope you hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, hey, I have new videos pretty much every day. Combination of art stuff, toy stuff, hobby stuff, always cool stuff. So stay tuned for a video where all the stuff goes and a little bit of organization. So have yourself an awesome day. Bye.